Good morning everyone. This is last video of our chapter number 3rd, that is drainage. In this video we are going to discuss about the Brahmaputra river system. Okay, we already have done about the Ganga river system and the Indus river system. Okay, and this is the last river system, that is Brahmaputra river system. Brahmaputra river is also the one of the largest river of Asia and the world, and this river is very important for three countries like India, China and Bangladesh. So it is known as the transboundary river. What is transboundary river? As it serves three main countries like China, India and Bangladesh. So Brahmaputra river is the transboundary river, and the length of this river is approximate 2900 kilometer. Somewhere it is seen that in NCERT it is given 3080 kilometer. So this is approximate 2900 kilometer. Okay, and in India its length is 1346 kilometer. Okay, so the total length of the Brahmaputra river including China, India and Bangladesh is approximate 2900 kilometer, and in India it is 1346 kilometer. It originates near Mount Kailash. So here we have Mount Kailash in China. Okay, this is Mount Kailash, and near Mount Kailash we have Mansarovar Lake. So here we have Mansarovar Lake. The origin of this river from the Cheomyangdong Glacier. Okay, what is the name of that particular glacier? Cheomyangdong Glacier in Mount Kailash. Okay, from here it flows eastward direction. So ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में इसका फ्लो होता है. ठीक है, सो इट फ्लोज ईस्टवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस रिवर इन तिब्बतन रीजन इज यारलंग सांगपो. ओके, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर इन तिब्बतन रीजन is the Yarlung Sangpo. Okay, so this is the name of Brahmaputra river in the Tibetan region. Okay, from here it flow eastward, then near Namcha Barwa. Here we have Namcha Barwa mountains. Okay, near Namcha Barwa it takes northern turn northward. Okay, it move northward, then take a U-turn. Okay, ये क्या होता है? यहाँ पे नॉर्थवर्ड डायरेक्शन में इसका मूवमेंट होता है नियर नामचा बारवा, एंड देन टेक ए यू शार्प यू टर्न. ओके, यू टर्न ये लेती है एंड देन एंटर्स इनटू द अरुणाचल प्रदेश बाउंड्री ऑफ इंडिया. हियर इट इज नोन एज द रिवर सियांग. ठीक है, व्हेन इट एंटर्स इन इंडिया इट इज नोन एज द रिवर सियांग. ओके, then in Arunachal Pradesh it is known as the river Dihang. Okay, so we have three names until first name is Yarlung Sangpo in Tibetan region, then it enters in India as river Siang, and in Arunachal Pradesh when it enters it named as the river Dihang. Okay, then after that river two tributaries from south direction, river Dibang and Lohit. What is river Dibang and Lohit join the river Dihang. Okay, Dihang river को join करती है कौन कौन सी river? दो tributaries, Dibang and river Lohit. Then after from it is known as the river ब्रह्मपुत्र. तो यहाँ से इसका नेम क्या हो जाता है? ब्रह्मपुत्र इसका नेम हो जाता है. तो यहाँ तक एक बार दोबारा देखिए. द फर्स्ट नेम ऑफ द रिवर ब्रह्मपुत्र इन तिब्बतन रीजन इज द यारलंग सांगपो. देन इट एंटर्स इन इंडिया एज रिवर सियांग. In Arunachal Pradesh it is known as the river Dihang, and after joining river Dibang and Lohit, two tributaries, river Dibang and Lohit, it is known as the river Brahmaputra. Okay, then it enters in Assam region, and in Assam it form a well fertile plain, that is Brahmaputra plain, or form a Brahmaputra valley. Okay, then in Assam region it further divided into two branches. Okay, here we have two branches. It is divided into two branches, approximate 100 kilometer, and form a island, that is Majuli Island. Okay, कौन सा island बनाता है? Majuli Island. Majuli Island is the largest river island. Largest river island of the world. Okay, वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा जो रिवर आइलैंड है दैट इज माजुली आइलैंड, एंड नाउ इट इज डेजिग्नेटेड एज द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ असम. ओके, अब ये एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट भी है असम का. ठीक है, तो माजुली आइलैंड है, रिवर आइलैंड है. ओके, तो ये ध्यान में रखना है. कौन सी रिवर पे बना हुआ है? ऑन ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. देन फ्यू ट्रिब्यूटरीज आर हियर ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. रिवर सांगपो इन तिब्बतन रीजन join from the north side. Okay, then river Dihang and river Lohit. Okay, from southern direction here in near Arunachal Pradesh, in the head of the Assam Valley, nearby head of the Assam Valley, near Sadia town. कहाँ पे इसको ज्वाइन करती है? नियर सादिया टाउन. सादिया के पास इसको ज्वाइन करती है रिवर दिहांग एंड रिवर लोहित. And other important tributaries are river Subansri from north direction, river Manas, river Sankos and river Kameng. So these are the tributaries. और भी कुछ छोटी tributaries हैं, but these are the important tributaries. River Sangpo in Tibetan region, Dihang and Lohit near Sadia, Assam, and Subansri, Manas, Sankos and river Kameng. Okay, and it forms a river island, that is Majuli Island. नियर बाई डिब्रूगढ़. ओके, डिब्रूगढ़ इन आसाम. तो डिब्रूगढ़ आसाम के पास में आइलैंड बनता है जिसका नेम है माजुली आइलैंड. इट इज़ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ आसाम नाउ. देन नियर मेघालय में गारो हिल्स के पास में इट टेक्स सदर्न टर्न, साउथवर्ड टर्न लेती है इन फ्लो साउथवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड एंटर्स इनटू द बांग्लादेश. देन गारो टाउन के पास, गारो माउंटेन्स के पास ये किस में एंटर कर जाती है? इन बांग्लादेश. एंड हियर बांग्लादेश बाउंड्री पे इट जो रिवर तिस्ता join the river ब्रह्मपुत्र. ओके, रिवर तिस्ता join the river Brahmaputra. Now it is known as the river Jamuna. Okay, it flows in the Bangladesh after joining Tista as river Jamuna. Okay, then the name of river Brahmaputra in Bangladesh, when it enters into the Bangladesh, it is Jamuna. Then river Jamuna join the river Padma. Here we have river Padma. River Padma जो है वो कौन है? रिवर गंगा. ओके, रिवर गंगा को हम जो बांग्लादेश में किस नेम से जानते हैं? रिवर पद्मा. सो अगेन द रिवर जमुना एंड जॉइन द रिवर पद्मा एंड इट इज़ नोन एज द, आफ्टर दैट इट इज़ नोन एज द रिवर पद्मा. तो रिवर पद्मा और रिवर जो आपके जमुना है ये दोनों ज्वाइन करती हैं और फर्दर इनका नेम क्या हो जाता है? रिवर पद्मा. ओके, देन यहाँ से एक रिवर है बाराक रिवर जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन से एंटर करती है इन बांग्लादेश, एंड इट इज़ नोन एज द रिवर मेघना इन बांग्लादेश, विच फर्दर join the river Padma. Okay, and after that it is known as the river मेघना. ओके, सो थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है नेम में. ठीक है, बहुत सारे नेम हैं तो उनको आपको ध्यान में रखना है. एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट, द रिवर ब्रह्मपुत्र ओरिजिनेट नियर बाई माउंट कैलाश from the Chemyangdong Glacier. Okay, Chemyangdong Glacier, and it flows eastward direction in a parallel to the Himalayan mountain range, and it enters in India after taking U-turn from Namcha Barwa mountain and enters in India as river Siang. So first name is river Siang in India. First name of the Brahmaputra river is Yarlung Sangpo in Tibet. Then river Siang when it enters into India, and in Arunachal Pradesh it is known as the river Dihang. After joining river Dibang and river Lohit, it is known as the river Brahmaputra. Then river Brahmaputra flow through the Assam Valley and enters into the Bangladesh nearby Garo Hills. Okay, and it forms Majuli Island nearby in between the Assam Valley. Okay, then when it enters into the Bangladesh after joining river Tista, it is known as the river Jamuna, and river Jamuna join river Padma. Then after it is known as the river Padma, and river Padma join Meghna, then after it is known as the Meghna river. और ये बाद में it drains its water into the Bay of Bengal after making a delta. तो यहाँ पे डेल्टा का फॉर्मेशन होता है, then it drains its water into the Bangladesh. So these are the tributaries of Brahmaputra river. Tributaries: Sangpo in Tibet region, Dihang, Lohit nearby Sadia town, and Subansiri, Manas, river Sankos, and river Kaming. So this is the description of river Brahmaputra or Brahmaputra river system. Very important river for India. It forms a fertile plain in northeastern India. Okay, Assam plain भी हम इसको बोलते हैं. So our third chapter is completed. In next video we will start a fresh chapter. Thank you. Have a good day.